Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today we are here at TVS showroom to get a couple of accessories installed for my Ronin, and I had ordered them through TVS website and they reached in like 4 to 5 days. So what are those accessories? So I'll show those when I get into the service center. So let's see you inside. So these are the three accessories that I'm going to install today. One is lady footrest, one is the mobile mount, and the third one is the tank grip. Alright, so first... No. एक सेकंड एकदा दाखव ना ते हां अशीच आहे ना अँगल हां उलटा लावलं तर वाटतं बरोबर आहे हां नाही जास्त वरती नको ते बरोबर आहे हे इथं ते दोघे अँगल बरोबर झाले पाहिजे बघ दोघं साईड थोडा पुढे हां बस yes this is installed. Tank grips are installed. So now we are going to install the second accessory, and that is lady footrest. So I ordered it from TVS website as हां हे काढावं लागेल बरोबर आहे ते दोन पाईप आहेत पण okay, so now we need to remove this helmet lock which I installed myself at home. That was the very first accessories actually. They'll put it here like this and then it will be installed. So now he is removing the helmet lock. Actually वो मैंने घर पे बिठा लिया था like I said, and यहाँ पे ये जो बार है this is quite thick, so you cannot install the helmet lock here because then it will be moving and the helmet will be wobbling if you lock it while riding it, which you shouldn't actually. Now I need to find a different place wherein I can install that helmet lock, maybe on the crash guard. Let's see. All right. क्या नाम लगता है यार Ronin class. Okay, so second accessory is also getting fit. Almost done. बहुत टाइट करना पड़ता है इसको. After all, it is going to take some weight of a person. And that's how it looks. Now the third accessory which I bought very first. गाडी घ्यायच्या आधी आणून पडलं आहे. Oh, that was easy. भारी जागा आहे ती मिरर काढायपेक्षा. हां oh awesome. See, instead of taking out the complete mirror, we can install it just with this one bolt. Awesome. All right, so that goes the lady footrest. It is quite sturdy, just like Ronin, very sturdy. Then the tank grips, which are great utility product, just like Ronin. And third one is the mobile mount, and that's it. All right, so we are done here. Now I'm going to showroom because I got to know that there are many accessories that have reached to the showroom. So let's go and check out which are those. This is awesome. Have a safe ride.